I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have an e-commerce business also, but I love sales training really well because I used to be a salesperson. When you go to Computer Village, do you know those guys that will say, you want to repair laptop or you want cell phone? I was one of those guys. So I started learning sales on the street, and I was lucky enough to discover e-commerce. Okay? But the most important thing I want to relate is I was not a basic salesperson. When you come to buy a product from me, my goal is to make sure you're satisfied. Number one is because you're not just selling, you are trying to help people. So the goal is to sell products to your customers and make sure they are satisfied. So think it today. Your goal is to help people with their problem or the kind of pleasure they want. So today, we're going to be talking about something called Quantum Sales Framework. This is a sales framework that I'm going to give to you. It's a step-by-step sales framework that you're going to use to close customers, you're going to use to upsell customers, and you're going to use to answer objections. The maths that most people don't like doing when it comes to sales. The first thing I want you to understand is the word quantum. Q-U-A-N-T-U-M. Okay, what's the meaning of the word quantum? Smallest particles. Quantum means is something that is small. So when I say quantum sales framework, what I'm describing is the smaller actions that leads to sales. People think that the thing that make people buy is the big thing you say. No. They are the small things you do. The small things you do. One example of those small things: how you greet the customer, the rapport, the quantum, the smaller things. On that theme of quantum is how you ask questions, the way you respond to their questions. Are you defensive when the customer is asking a question? You might not understand this, but when you smile, people actually feel the emotion over the phone. And one thing you do when you smile is you are very relaxed. Empathy is a salesman's greatest weapon. Make them feel like you want to help them. So you guys are amazing. You're amazing. I love the energy. I love the energy. Round of applause. Thank you.